Hi, I'm Sam Swingle with Watercrest Pools, and today we're going to talk about some things that you can do on a weekly basis to keep your pool clean and operating properly. The easiest thing to do on a weekly basis is do a quick visual inspection of your pool. Make sure that all water features are running as they normally run. Make sure water level is good in the pool, and make sure that your pool is clean and clear. As part of your visual inspection, you should also do a routine equipment check. Check your filter pressure on your pool filter. Check your pump baskets to make sure they're clear of any debris. Clear out your skimmer baskets weekly. Turn the pool off and then lift the basket to get all the debris out. Inspect your pool cleaner bag and remove any of the debris if necessary. Also, check the water level of your pool. The water level of the pool should be about at the base of the overflow. If it's not at that level, fill it up with your filling mechanism. Finally, the most important thing is always maintain your chemicals.
Each test kit provided by Watercrest Pools provides a step-by-step instruction of how to perform each chemical test. If you are unable to do these tests, hire a weekly service or take your water up to a local retail pool store to get your water chemistry checked on a routine basis.
I hope this video was helpful and will help you properly maintain your Watercrest pool. As always, if you have any questions regarding water chemistry or routine maintenance, please call our office at 817-431-8997.